Tell him what you just got, huh? Tell him.
What? It's at 300 micron resolution right now. That's still pretty detailed.
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
And it can go all the way down to 50 micron.
Excellent.
But if I did 50 micron on this, it would have been 54 minutes to print it.
Okay, and what's the name of this printer again?
Lulzbot Mini. It's really right there.
I'm videotaping, so thank you for putting your hand right in front of the camera. I was trying to ask you to tell me about it, and you weren't hearing me. Very cool.